Hey everybody, Drake here, and today I'm doing a review of the new Masters of the Universe Power Attack Tri-Klops. This figure is from the new Netflix CGI show, which I honestly highly recommend. I've enjoyed both seasons. So let's get the figure out of the way and take a quick look at the box. So this packaging is the same as the other Power Attack figures in this new Masters of the Universe Netflix line. As you can see though, it's got the picture of Tri-Klops at this left top corner. All these different figures always have the different characters at that top corner. That image makes it a little easier to look through these figures if they're on a peg at any type of store. As you can see here, it shows a little Power Attack feature where Tri-Klops can kind of swivel and spring back at the waist like all the other Power Attack. And a quick look at the back. It shows you again that Power Attack feature, how you could switch the different eyes of Tri-Klops, and it shows you some different figures in the line, showing off the basic Skeletor and Mosquitaro. So let's put this packaging to the side and take a look at Tri-Klops himself. So this figure is amazing and honestly a great addition to the line. It keeps that same green coloration and motif that the original Tri-Klops has, but the figure and character gives us a nice new reinterpretation of Tri-Klops. If you've seen the show, you will know that Tri-Klops is actually a robot. It's kind of like a drone that will attach itself to different hosts and brainwash them and kind of take over their body and use them as almost like a puppet. This figure is of an Eternian guard that the Tri-Klops has taken over. You can kind of recognize Eternian guard armor in this figure, but again with that Tri-Klops unit wrapped around its head and its tentacles implanted into the figure's body. The figure comes as is, but it comes with this staff, and it has that very similar Eternian motif with the lion with these wings here. Almost like the lion of King Randor and the wings of the sorceress. And you can see that same logo on Tri-Klops' armor here, or the Eternian Guard's armor here. So let's get a closer look here at this figure. Look at the details. This almost looks like a Matrix Sentinel, the way it has this robot look with all the tentacles, and it's attached to all these different points and almost the spinal cord of the figure. It looks so cool, and you can see all the different eyes around here. For articulation, the figure doesn't have any neck articulation. The head doesn't move at all, which I was kind of surprised about. But it's okay because the eyes shift like most Tri-Klops figures. So what we could do is we could take the base of this Tri-Klops robotic unit, which is this green circular thing around the face of the Eternian Guard, and we can shift it forward from this red circular eye to this green diamond, and then again to this upside down blue triangle, and then back the red circle. The arms go up and down on that swivel like all the other figures in this line. You've got the Power Attack feature where you can pivot the torso at this point and kind of let it snap back. So here's that Power Attack feature with the weapon, swivel at the waist and stab. And then at the legs, they go forward and back, they go a little bit outward, and then we've got a swivel at the knee. So it's got some decent articulation, and the figure looks really nice. It also shows in the promo images that you could take these tentacles out of Tri-Klops' arms, and you can kind of make it so the robot itself is almost imprisoning or capturing the Royal Guard here by locking up around its neck and arms. So to do a little comparison, here's our Tri-Klops figure, and here's our Battle for Eternia He-Man, which is basically the normal He-Man figure in this line with some little extra details on the arms. But as you can see, they're about the same height. Tri-Klops here maybe a little taller, but He-Man here is definitely a lot beefier. And then I also wanted to compare him to Man-at-Arms. This is the one that comes with the vehicle pack. But I wanted to show them next to each other because I felt like they had the closest proportions to each other. Every other figure is rather a female figure, which is a lot slimmer, or He-Man, Trapjaw, or Skeletor, which is a lot beefier. And these two characters are kind of more slim and have a more basic build. So that concludes my review of the new Masters of the Universe Power Attack Tri-Klops figure. This figure overall is definitely really nice. I recommend it to anyone who collects this line, or anyone that's a He-Man fan or interested in this show at all. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for some more reviews, some more haul videos, and have a good one, folks.